Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Gifting Genie. We are the genie for all your gifting wishes. With Holi just around the corner, I have the perfect DIY for you. These colorful and festive Holi Pompom slippers. These slippers are not just comfy but are bursting with vibrant colors just like the festival of Holi. And the best part, if you don't have the materials, don't worry. Just fill out the Google form linked in the description and I will send you a kit with all the materials that you need. Because here at Gifting Genie, we believe that all you need is a genie and a wish, not the worries about materials. So let's dive in and start crafting.
These are all the materials that we are going to need. So first of all, we are going to take one slipper and we'll start from the center and we'll stick the big pom-poms. Now we'll do one side. Similarly, we are going to do on the other side as well. Now we are just sticking the pom-poms together.
Hey, just checking in. How's it going so far? If you're enjoying this tutorial, do not forget to press the like button. And if you make these Holi special pom-pom slippers, I'd love to see your colorful creations. Just tag me on Instagram @gifting_genie and I'll showcase your creation on all my social media platforms. Now, let's get back to the tutorial quickly.
Now we are going to use smaller pom-poms and we are going to fill up all these remaining parts. This is how our one slipper is going to look like, and similarly we are going to do for the other slipper as well. Similarly, even on this slipper, we are going to add smaller pom-poms.
Your Holi special pom-pom slippers are ready. Aren't they just perfect for adding a splash of colors to your Holi celebrations? Let me know in the comments if you'd like more festive DIYs or if there's something specific that you'd like to learn. And don't forget to tag gifting_genie on Instagram. I'd love to see your vibrant creations. Lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out to the notification for any new tutorial. That's it for today. Bye bye. Happy crafting!